Hi, I'm Matthew Previtt. I'm a licensed CPA here in the state of Massachusetts. My firm represents taxpayers before the IRS and state taxing authorities. I've been in the tax field about 27 years, and almost the last 17 years I've been representing taxpayers exclusively before the IRS and the state taxing authorities. I'm here today to answer some of the top questions that we get from prospects about IRS and state tax problems. One of the most common questions I get is, is the IRS going to arrest me? Am I going to jail? The long and short of it is no. I have represented almost 3,000 individuals or businesses over the years, and I've never had any client go to jail because they haven't filed a bunch of tax returns or they owed money. Which is not to say that they didn't have levies and liens and things of that nature if they didn't respond quickly enough. But essentially the IRS really just wants you back in the system. They want you to file your returns so they can collect the taxes and know what you owe going forward. As far as prosecution, maybe there are 2,000 cases or so that are prosecuted every year, and just a tiny percent of those are people that actually go to jail. So keep in mind that the IRS has to show that you willfully and intentionally failed to file or failed to pay. As I like to tell my clients, you can be the biggest screw up in the world as far as not filing, getting behind your taxes, but it's only when you willfully did it on purpose and intentionally. And the IRS has the burden of proving that. So again, unless they can prove that, you can be the biggest non-filer or delinquent taxpayer, and they're not going to prosecute you. Essentially, you're just going to have to file a certain number of returns, get back in the system, or if you also owe money, go through one of several options to try to resolve the debt, some of which may be able to resolve the debt for less than the full amount. Some of them are going to full pay the tax debt, but will give you lenient terms that you can fit within your budget to make sure you get caught up. So, in short, I have not in my 27-year career ever known anybody or known a fellow colleague who's told me of somebody getting arrested or going to jail because of tax problems. If you have any specific or detailed questions about your particular tax situation, please call my office at 508-655-1500 or visit our website at taxproblemsrs.com.